Breaking news just coming in. CBI is going to be confronting key witnesses with each other for the first time today to resolve these inconsistencies in the statements that have been given by Siddharth Pitani and three staffers of Sushant Singh Rajput, including the cook and the house help. Sources close to India today have revealed that even after several rounds of questioning and recreation of the crime scene as well, some inconsistencies in the statement are still there about the events of what transpired on 13th of June and 14th of June. So this is a big development that is coming in that Pankaj Upadhyay is breaking first here on India Today. Pankaj, it is interesting to note inconsistencies after inconsistencies, despite recreating the crime scene as well, despite several rounds of questioning, the inconsistencies of what really happened on 13th and 14th of June still persist. The stories are really not matching. What's going on and what next for the CBI?
Yes, Sachi. First of all, now it is pretty confirmed that CBI has not arrived at any conclusion as of now, whether this is a case of suicide or whether this is a case of murder. Multiple times, the CBI team has visited Sushant's house. The reconstruction of the crime scene was done twice. The prime witnesses, pro-prime witnesses, have been questioned again and again here at the DRDO facility. Twice the CBI team has visited the Cooper Hospital, and additionally what I'm learning through my sources is that a CBI team has also reached out to the staffers and the manager of the hotel in the suburban area where the late actor was staying last year for around 2 months. The investigation is going on there as well. Additionally, what I have also learned that a team of CBI is also visiting certain spiritual gurus residing in the suburban area. Remember, Riya Chakrabarti in a statement had said during the Europe trip, Sushant Singh had seen a picture, and after seeing that picture, he had started behaving in an unusual fashion. So it seems that CBI is looking at every aspect. But here at DRDO, Chaiti, what interestingly I have noticed here is, even if you had noticed this aspect, on the first instance, 3 prime witnesses were questioned by the CBI. A day later, Keshav also joined in, and then 4 of them were grilled together. Today, Siddharth Pitani and Neeraj are there. So there is this interesting pattern that the CBI is following. Either they are bringing in all the prime witnesses together, and at the same time they are grilling them separately as well. Now, what could be deduced with this, Chaiti? Either the CBI has nailed the lie of either one of them. They have found certain discrepancies that we have established and that we've been telling the viewers. Either CBI has nailed the lie of either one of them. It is also possible that either one of them has given a big disclosure to the CBI which was not given to the Mumbai police. Or it could be the case simply that CBI has found certain contradictions in the versions that they have given.
But the fact of the matter is there is inconsistency. The fact of the matter is that the stories are not matching, because if they were being honest about what really transpired, their stories would have matched. The very fact that the stories are not matching, which means that somebody is hiding something. Who is saying the truth? Who is lying? The CBI will find out. Pankaj, thanks very much, but continue to stay on with us.